In today's video, I am going to teach you how to see pre-market on Tradingview to see extended hours data. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click so you can view pre-market and after-hours activity without guesswork. And you'll understand a few nuances that help the chart make sense. First, open Tradingview. You can use the website or the desktop app, both work the same for this. From the top menu, go to Products and open Supercharts. If you already have a chart you like, you can open that instead. The extended hours view applies to any symbol that supports it. A quick note before we turn it on: extended hours data shows on intraday timeframes, like 1 minute, 5 minute, or 15-minute charts. It won't appear on daily, weekly, or monthly timeframes because those aggregate the session into larger candles. If you don't see the option later, switch your timeframe to something intraday and it should appear. With your chart open, look toward the bottom right corner of the chart area. You'll find a small toggle labeled ETH, which stands for Extended Trading Hours. Click that to enable it. The chart should immediately update, and you'll notice price action appears outside the regular session. Many layouts use shading to differentiate these periods, so you can quickly spot what happened before the market opened and after it closed. If the ETH toggle isn't visible or you prefer settings, you can also enable this from the Chart Settings menu. Open Settings, go to the Symbol tab, and turn on the option to display extended hours data. This does the same thing and is helpful if your layout hides the quick toggle. A couple of helpful reminders as you use this view. Extended hours typically cover pre-market activity before the main session opens and after trading once it closes. For us stocks, that means you'll often see movement before 9:30 a.m. and after 4 p.m. Eastern Time, although exact times vary by broker and exchange. Not every symbol has defined extended sessions, and some markets like many crypto pairs trade essentially around the clock. So you may not notice a difference. Use the ETH toggle to compare regular session movement against the pre-market highs and lows. This is especially useful when planning entries around gaps, overnight news, or earnings releases. Keep in mind that liquidity can be thinner during extended hours, which often means wider spreads and quicker moves. The chart reflects those trades, but it's normal for volume to look different than what you are used to during the day. That's all you need. Open a chart and turn on extended hours using the ETH toggle or the Symbol tab in Settings. You are set to track pre-market and after hours like a pro.